Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to export Microsoft Copilot responses to Word or TXT files. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Microsoft Copilot. Once you're on the page, you'll see a text field prominently displayed where you can enter your prompts. This is where all the magic happens, as Copilot uses this field to understand what you need help with and generate responses accordingly. Click on the text field to activate it, and then type in your prompt. For this example, let's say you want to create an article, so you could type something like "create an article about how important trees are." This prompt tells Copilot exactly what content you need, and it will use AI to generate a comprehensive response based on your request. After entering your prompt, press enter or click the send button to submit it. Now, you'll need to wait a moment while Copilot processes your request and generates the response. Depending on the complexity of your prompt, this might take a few seconds to a minute. The AI is working behind the scenes to craft a detailed and relevant response tailored to what you asked for. Once Copilot has finished generating its response, you'll see the content appear in the chat window. Take a moment to review what it's created to make sure it meets your needs. If you're satisfied with the response and want to export it, this is where the next step comes in. Now, in the same text field, type a follow-up prompt like "generate it on Word and TXT file." This tells Copilot that you want to export the previously generated content into downloadable file formats. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to save your AI-generated content for later use or share it with others. After sending this request, wait while Copilot processes your export command. The system is now converting your response into the file formats you requested, creating both a Word document and a TXT file for your convenience. Once Copilot finishes processing, it will display download links for both file formats directly in the chat window. You'll see clickable links for the Word file and the TXT file. Simply click on the link for the format you prefer or download both if you need them. The files will be saved to your computer's default download location, ready for you to open, edit, or share. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Microsoft Copilot responses into Word and TXT files, making it easy to save and work with AI-generated content outside of the chat interface. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.